highlighting worldwide coverage. With a clear, professional tone.
Clark Hunt breaks the silence on Travis Kelce's future. The Kansas City Chiefs are at a point where they have to make some decisions, and everyone is watching Travis Kelce. The Kansas City team had a bad season. They did not make the playoffs for the time in a very long time. Now, people are know if the main player of the Kansas City Chiefs offense is going to quit or try to play. The Kansas is very open about what he thinks. He really believes in the Chiefs. Clark Hunt is not trying to hide his belief in the Chiefs all. I do not have any doubt in my mind that he can still play football. He can still play the game. I think he can still play. They're always there. He showed up every week. Played every snap. Kelce was a play only Travis Kelce can make. Travis Kelce has to think about what he wants, and then he will decide what to do with his life.